Hello, I'm John Sanders. I'm Director of the Benefit Coordinators. We serve you, employees of the federal government. TBC is an educator of your benefits and a tool to your financial goals. Today, we're going to be talking about disability income insurance and something very important that a lot of people don't necessarily think about until it's too late. I can promise you that from our phone calls. Imagine this, you're working hard, building a career and supporting yourself and your family. Then unexpectedly, illness or injury strikes and you can't work anymore. This is a scary situation, but it's also one that can be financially devastating. That's where disability income insurance comes in. Now, there's actually two main types of disability income insurance. That's SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance, and the individual disability income insurance. So let's break down what each of these are and how they can help you. Think of SSDI as a government-sponsored safety net. It's funded by your Social Security taxes that you pay throughout your working career. To qualify for SSDI, you need to have a disability that's expected to last at least a year and prevent you from working in any kind of job. The application process can be lengthy and complex, and about 2/3 of the initial applicants are actually rejected. So, once you get that out of the way, here's some things to know about SSDI. The average monthly SSDI benefit's just over $1,000, and who can live on that? It's not even going to be enough to cover basic living expenses. There's a 5-month waiting period before you can start receiving those benefits. And SSDI is very strict, any occupation definition of disability, which means you basically have to be unable to work at any kind of job at all to qualify. Up to 85% of your SSDI may be taxable as income. That's adding insult to injury. So while SSDI is a great program to have as a backup, it's not going to be enough on its own. That's where the individual disability income insurance comes in. Individual DI insurance is a private insurance policy that you purchase from an insurance company. It pays you a percent of your income if you become disabled and can't work. So how does it compare to SSDI? DI benefits can be much more generous than SSDI, typically replacing 60 to 80% of your after-tax income. You choose a waiting period that works for you, though it's typically shorter than the 5-month wait for SSDI. You can choose your own definition of disability, such as own occupation, which means you can't work in your specific field. There's a big advantage over SSDI's any occupation definition. Benefits from DI insurance are usually tax-free if you pay your premiums with after-tax dollars. Here are some additional things to consider about DI insurance. The cost of DI insurance may vary depending upon your age, occupation, health, and the features that you choose within your policy. Generally, younger and healthier individuals pay a lower premium. DI insurance is much more customizable than SSDI. You can choose the benefit amount, waiting period, definition of disability, and the benefit period. Is DI insurance right for you? We don't know. You'll have to ask yourself that. Well, that also depends upon your individual circumstances. But if you rely on your income to support yourself and your family, then DI insurance is definitely worth considering. It can provide you with a much needed financial security net if you're ever unable to work due to a disability. Here are some questions to ask yourself. Can you afford to live on the average SSDI benefit? How important is your income to your family's financial security? What kind of lifestyle do you want to maintain if you become disabled? And if you've answered yes to any of these questions, then DI insurance is a good investment. So what's the takeaway? Don't wait until it's too late to protect your income. Talk to the benefit coordinators today about your individual needs and see if DI insurance is right for you. Remember, disability can strike anyone at any time. By planning ahead, you can ensure that you and your family are financially protected in the event of the unexpected. If you have any questions about disability income insurance, leave us a comment or we'll be happy to help. I thank you for watching. TBC has created a handbook. It's available to help you understand the complexities of your benefits. It's available on Amazon or by contacting us. If this video has helped you, please press the like button. Subscribing will help us, and pressing the chime will notify you of our new posts. I thank you for your service.